Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited X in slate blue. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 37,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90992A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.